Welcome to Compulite Vibe. Have you experienced smart lighting programming? Let's see together how to store the contents. Vibe has several preset libraries to store fixtures and parameters for fast recalling. The first one is the group library, used to select more fixtures at once. To store a group, select the desired fixtures, tap the Store button, then tap the Group soft key. Otherwise, use the editor syntax and press Group Number Store. Now write the group name on your keyboard. Renew it by pressing Text and the soft key. Remember that the group also stores the fixture's selection order. To edit the group, make a new selection, then press Store and the group. A window will ask you if you want to update it, overwrite it, or release the current selection from the group. To delete a group, tap Delete and then the soft key, or recall the group with the hard keys and press Delete. Preset libraries are referred to the banks. There are intensity, position, color, beam, image, and shape libraries. Each of them contains only the parameters of the corresponding bank. An additional custom library is available to store parameters from different banks. There is an effect library to store effects. To store, update, name, and delete the presets, use the same operations and syntax that you do with the groups. Let's create a color library. Select a group of fixtures. Press Full to open the dimmer, open the position bank and move them to focus on the stage. Then open the color bank and make them red. Press Store and tap a color soft key. Write red on your keyboard. The library stores just the color parameters, ignoring dimmer, pan and tilt. If you use the HSI color values, the library can then be applied to any fixture independently from its color mix system. On the layout, you can have a different specific view for each library, maybe grouped in the same tab. Or you can save space by working with the context view. Context is a very smart interactive soft keys view, reacting to editor commands. See the context automatically updating when you press Group, Color, Position, or Scene. Now let's create a position library. We want to focus a group of beams in the center of the stage. Select a group of fixtures, press Full to open the dimmer and move to the position bank. Lift the beams with the tilt parameter, then press the fan button. It will blink in red, meaning the fan function is active. The smart screen shows all the curves that you can apply to spread the parameter. If the section order is left to right, use the direction curve and move the pan. The group of beams will open or close depending on the fan direction. Press Store and tap a position soft key. Write Center on your keyboard. The library stores just the position parameters. If you use the XYZ values, the library can then be applied to any fixture based on its calibration. Remember that fan function can be applied to any parameter and is a very fast way to assign different values to any group selection. A red button means fan is active. Press it again or switch to another parameter to deactivate it. Get familiar with fan to create brilliant stage looks in a short programming time. Have you noticed the letters on the library soft keys? They show the library load type or library behavior. You can change the library type of each bank in the default settings. Libraries can be referred only to specific fixtures or to every fixture with the same parameter, or to every fixture with the same parameter keeping the pattern of values. The same distinction can be applied by limiting the library to the fixtures with the same device. For example, if the red color library is a parameter specific, store it with one fixture and you can apply it to all the fixtures with the same parameter. Dividing presets by banks, creating custom presets and defining the library behavior is not enough. With library filters, Vibe Presets management can be even more flexible. Use on-the-go filters when storing a library to directly select which parameters to include and exclude. Open System Settings in Defaults view and tap Library Filters. Here you can customize the libraries by editing the filtered parameters. Tap on the General window to create custom filter soft keys. Use the filter view while programming to fastly apply your custom filter selection to the editor. Now take some time to create your presets and customize your libraries. Keep following us to discover more on the next tutorials.